I'm super excited because you have gotten your business together. You have done all the steps in the first section, and this is where you just need to pat yourself on the back because you are starting your journey. So if you've done all these steps, you have your business license, you have everything you need now to go. Now it's time for you to actually put all of that hard work into play. Meet me in the next section, and then we'll talk about business, because we got to get your business together. You have your personal stuff together, but now we're talking about business credit. We're talking about growing that business credit, because without business credit, there's really no business funding. Well, you can get business funding without business credit, but you can't get as much as you should be able to get. So we're gonna do these all in the right steps. And in the meantime, if your personal credit is not where it needs to be, you need to be clicking the links on my resource page and finding someone to fix your credit, because credit is key and your personal credit aligns with your business credit. But what we're gonna do in the next section will be for business credit. And if you get your business credit at a certain score, then sometimes you don't need personal credit. But a lot of banks have been requiring, regardless of how strong your credit score is on your business, your personal credit score to be correct. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Again, go ahead and click the link and go to those resources and get your personal credit together while we build your business credit. Okay, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.